Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruchi and today I'm gonna be doing a video which I've actually promised to do. I recorded my first impressions of the Minimalist Bond Repair range, the maleic acid range, and today I'm here with a full-fledged review, okay? And I'm really disappointed to inform you that there has been no change in my review. They perform really well. So I've individually tested them, of course, the oil with other shampoo, my normal shampoo and conditioner. I've actually tested them single, and then I have used pairs as well to check it out, and I'll just tell you my review about each of the product, whether you should go ahead and get them, like are they worth everything, or you can just skip on it. So starting with the hair oil, the Minimalist Bond Repair oil, I have my verdict, okay, and it is not changed from my first impression. It is really good, makes your hair really manageable. It's doing whatever it is claiming, that the force to actually comb through your hair lessens with every use. It's a long-term treatment. Yes, I'm treating it as a treatment rather than treating it like some magic wand that it will, you know, fix something. Yes, you need to go ahead with maybe 2 bottles or 3 bottles of it. You can see I've just finished it. I'll be getting this one more, so, you know, because hair is still not completely recovered. So yeah, I really like this one. Definitely you can get this alone as well. It will perform really good. That's my verdict about this product. Okay, it makes your hair really soft after one wash only, okay, and with continuous wash it makes your hair more and more manageable. Moving on to the second product, it is the maleic acid shampoo. Okay, it performed better than what I had expected. Trust me on this, okay. I thought it wouldn't lather up, or you know, it would perform something, but you need very little amount to wash your hair. My hair is pretty long right now, so you need very little amount to wash it off. And single-handedly also, when I just oiled my hair and I used this, it performed quite well. So yes, definitely you can get this one also. But if you're going to ask me from the range, if I really want to, you know, I don't want to buy all 3, or I want to skip something, I think this could be the one. But not at all saying that this is a bad product. This is a really great product, guys. You should not miss out on this one. With all the 3 combined, all the 3 products combined, you get the best result out there, okay. Whenever I've used the 3 of them together, my hair has shown the best result. That goes without saying. So yes, definitely, if you have the budget, go ahead and get this one as well. Then the third product is the hair mask or conditioner, whatever you like to say. They are calling it the maleic acid hair mask. I would say just conditioner, because it is a post shampoo procedure, post wash procedure, much like the conditioner. And yeah, this is amazing again. You know, it is very, it's not like mask, it's not conditioner, it's something like in between. The consistency is very thick, and it's like a very good moisturizer for your hair. That's what I'm going to say. It's a very good moisturizer for your hair. It performs almost like an oil when I'm almost like the oil when I'm using it just alone. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this one as well. So the 2 products that you should get it is the Minimalist oil and the mask. But if you can get all the 3, they're gonna perform miraculously well on your hair, and you're gonna see amazing results within like 4 or 5 uses alone. If you want me to rank all the 3, I think the oil again goes on top, the mask comes second, and the shampoo comes third. Yeah, that's all for my video, guys. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would be happy to do more such videos. Bye bye.